In this video, let us know the problems based on marginal trading. So the problem is like determine the profit and loss of margin trading. So they have given the some items. Let us look into that. Margin trading account balance of person X is rupees 1 lakh and he is giving the broker charges at 60%, so rupees 60,000, and same way investors fund remaining up to 40%, that is rupees 40,000, and also we have to incur for brokerage and interest charge, that is 2%, rupees 2,000. So what they have asked, let us know. Purchase price of security of rupees 100 and ascertain profit and loss in case. So they have given the two tabulates here. One is closing rate is rupees 90 per share and second case is closing rate is rupees 110 per share. So before we go into the problem, so let us know the conclusion of what we need to calculate in this using the particular content. So we need to calculate either we will incur the profit or loss using the marginal trading. So we have the two clues here, that is we need to take that using the formula, that is purchase price minus selling price. You can see here the formula is similarly, but we directly don't have the words as the purchase price and the closing price. So we have the hint like the purchase price is already directly they have given, and this is also known as opening price. So the synonym for the price purchase price is opening price, and the second one is, so the selling price is also called as closing price or the closing rate. So now we'll look into the problem. So as we got the clues here, the first one what we need to calculate is the number of shares that particular investor wants to buy. So who is the investor here? The person X is the investor here. So he don't have the any number of shares here, but only they have given the worth of the share capital, that is rupees 1 lakh, the same I have given, and the purchase price of those number of shares is 100. So by taking these into the values, so we have got the quotient value as 1000, and those 1000 is taken as the number of shares, that is, so the investor wants to buy the 1000 number of shares. So why we want to take these number of shares? Because so they here, so the price is there for the particular share. So that's why if we got the number of shares, so it will be very easy to calculate the furthermore problem. So now we'll look into the actual problem. What they have given is, so we need to calculate the profit and loss using the selling price as 90 per share. So what is the formula? Already I told you, that is purchase price minus selling price. So or opening price minus closing price. So already we know that the purchase price of the person X is 1 lakh, or you can just simply you can do it by yourself, that is, so 1000 is the number of shares and 100 rupee is the per share value, will get the 1 lakh rupees. So you can use any of the technique here. Either you can take it from directly or you can have the calculations here. So minus selling price equals to, so 1000 is the share and we are solving at the first case, that is there we have the 90 as the share price, so which will be having the 90,000 as the amount. Okay, so if we take this as according to our formula, what differences we will get is now the 10,000. So whether the 10,000 is loss or profit, so how we can know this one? We purchased at the 1 lakh rupees, but we sold at the 90,000, means nothing but it is a loss. So the investor funds are reduced by rupees how much? 10,000. This is the conclusion about the first case. So we lost the 10,000 here. So similarly we'll go for the second case, that is closing rate is now 110 per share. The formula will be same, that is the purchase price is 1 lakh and selling price is, now this will be get exchanged, that is 1000 is the number of shares. So what is the price of the share is 110. So what will be your share capital now? So 1 lakh 10,000. So what is the difference between both the answer? So it is 10,000, but it is a profit. How we can conclude that? So whether it is a profit or loss? So the purchase price is 1 lakh, but we sold at more than the 1 lakh, that is 1 lakh 10,000. So we have got the 10,000 extra on spending the 1 lakh rupees. So that's why, so the investors funds are increased by rupees 10,000. So this is about the problem, and hope you have been understood, and very simple problem is that one. So without solving this one, so by just looking into the problem, so roughly you can calculate here, as because just I will let you know that one also. So the purchase price is 100, but in case of 1 is we have the 90, the difference of 2 is 10, means so here the minus 10 is the price, and in this case 100 is the purchase price, 110 is the selling price. So here we will get the plus 10 price. The same price will be multiplied into 1000, also you will get the same answer. So any of the method you can utilize and you can calculate by yourself. So this is about the problem on the marginal costing. So hope you understood.